Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the translate feature in Google Lens. So for you Android user, if you want to find out how to use the translate feature on Google Lens, I'm going to tell you through this video, so watch it till the end. So the first thing that you need to do is open the Google Lens on your phone. So this is my Google Lens. I just need to click on the camera icon at my home screen here, and then just like that the Google Lens will open. And then if you want to translate something, for example, I want to translate this article, just go to the translate tab at the bottom. Let's swipe until it goes to the translate, and then I want to change it, to change this article from English to Indonesian. So if you point the camera to the article just like that, it will be changed into Indonesian. So you can see everything has been translated. So just like that, take a photo of Word to Translate. I'm gonna click on the shutter button. Okay, so just like that, the whole article has been translated into Indonesian. You can also change the language to be translated to, or the origin language translate from. And then you can also click on listen to listen to the translation that you just done, or you can also share it and then download and then open in Google Translate. So that is all. That's it for me. That is how you can use the Google Translate feature on Google Lens. So that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.